Have you ever wanted to cut out a mistake of a video that you've already uploaded to YouTube? In this video, you'll learn how to trim videos on YouTube using the YouTube editor without having to re-upload the videos or losing any views and comments. Wow, that's really sweet. That means I don't have to leave YouTube. Absolutely, and you can trim multiple sections at the same time. I'm going to show you how to trim one of my live stream videos. The beauty is that you can cut out the beginning, middle, and end of any video on your channel, and you don't need to re-upload the video to trim it. The view count, comments, and URL remain the same. Just keep in mind this feature is only available for videos that are shorter than 6 hours. Let me show you around the video editor interface. Log into YouTube Studio and click on videos. If you want to select one of your live stream videos, just click live. I'm going to select this YouTube Shorts for Beginners live stream video. Hover over the pencil icon and click details. Click on editor in the left hand column. Let me show you around the video editor interface. At the top, I've got undo and redo, so you can undo your changes or redo the changes. Over here on the right, we've got discard changes, so if you made an edit, you can actually discard the change and restart. We've also got save, so you can save the video after you've finished editing it, and that'll keep the views and comments. If you hover over the 3 dots here, it says options. We've got save as new. So after you've finished editing your video, you can save it as a completely new video, but you won't be able to keep the views and comments. We've also got revert to original, which means you can revert back to the original video before you made the edits. Just keep in mind you'll lose all the changes that you made to the video. We've also got keyboard shortcuts. This enables you to zoom in on your video or zoom out on your video, as well as undo or redo the changes. After you memorize the shortcuts, it'll make the editing faster. Hey, if you're getting value out of the content so far, hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification icon so you can receive more content like this every week. You can also extend the timeline. Just move the slider to the right and you can see these times at the top. You got your video clips and you got your audio here, so you can even see the gaps between the audio frequencies. If you want to trim the video, just click trim, expand the timeline a bit. So if you want to trim something at the beginning of your video, just click on the blue line and drag it, and you'll trim that section. You can do the same for the end of the video. Want to trim some of the end of the video, just click the blue line and move it up. Now if you want to trim the middle section of your video, position the playhead where you want it. So I'm going to put on that clip there. You can even expand the timeline so you know exactly where to put it. Click split. Now the blue line appears and you can just drag it to how much you want to trim from the video. If I move the slider to the left, I can see all the edits that I've done on the videos. You can actually cut multiple sections of your video in one edit. If you want to preview your edits, just click preview, then move the playhead to the beginning of your video, then play your video. Now for about 3 or 4 weeks, so it'll jump to that place in the video that you edited. You can go down to the next edit, play the video in India, and then I've got my last edit at the end so you can see where it ends. If you're happy with the edits, you can just click save. This will save your edited video without having to re-upload it. It will also retain all the views, comments, rankings, and URL. If you want to start at the beginning and discard all your changes, just click discard changes. If I hover over the 3 dots, it says options, I can save it as a new video. This means I'll lose the views and comments of the original video because it's a completely new video. On the other hand, it's a great way to quickly add another video to your channel. Just make sure that you optimize it correctly so it can be found in the search engines. If I want to do more edits, I can just click edit trim. I can do more edits on my timeline. I can also click clear all, and this will clear all the edits that I've made on the video. Over here I've got add a track, so I can add a music track. This will allow me to add licensed music from YouTube's audio library. You can even use this music for monetized videos. I can do ad breaks. I can also add a blur, so I can do a face blur or a custom blur. I can also add an end screen, so I can apply a template, add a video, playlist, subscribe button, channel, or a link as part of my end screen. So after you've finished all your edits, you just click save to save the original video with all the edits. Then I get this pop-up, save changes. This might take a few hours for your changes to apply. During that time, viewers will see the current version of the video. You won't be able to make other changes to the video. While you wait, you can leave the site. When you save, we keep the original version of your video so you can undo your edits. If you don't want the original version to be stored, you can save as new and delete this video afterwards. Number 1, after you've finished editing and saving your video, it usually takes from a few hours to many hours to finish processing your video. During that time, you can't re-edit the video and viewers will only see the original version of your video. Number 2, if you have a copyright claim for audio in your video, you can trim that part of your video that contains the copyright claim. You can even replace that song with the audio from YouTube's audio library. You can also mute the song. Number 3, if your video has accumulated over 100,000 views or is over 6 hours long, you may not be able to save the changes. This restriction doesn't apply to channels that are in the YouTube Partner Program. But Herman, can I make a slideshow with pictures and music using the YouTube video editor? Unfortunately, the YouTube video editor doesn't allow you to add pictures or video clips to the timeline. Click the link in the description to watch my video on how to quickly make a slideshow using pictures and music without using the YouTube editor. Hey Herman, how do I edit videos that I can upload to YouTube? Watch the video on the screen right now to learn how to edit videos for YouTube beginners and how to edit those videos faster.